Hello everyone, welcome to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to identify web elements. Web elements play a major role in developing and testing any application. The interaction with a web page requires the drivers to locate a web element by events like a click, enter, select, or type a value in the text box. Selenium defines two methods for identifying web elements. One is find element and the second one is find elements. So the find element uniquely identify a web element within the web page, and find elements identify a list of web elements within the web page, that is more than one element. So this is the syntax of the find element, driver.find element by locator, and then we need to mention the locator values. So to identify the web elements, we use certain locators: ID, name, class name, link text, CSS selector, tag name, and XPath. So this is the syntax of find elements. This we can see later. Now we can write the script to identify the web elements. So first create a class name. So if you have any doubts regarding how to create a new project and package, please refer my previous video. Now I am creating a new class. So right click from this package, go to new and select class. Here enter the class name. You can give any name. I am giving the class name as identify web elements. Select this checkbox and click finish. Now let me write the test case which we are going to do. First, open Firefox browser. Then open Google homepage. Then enter the text in the search text box. And finally, press enter button. So let's start writing the script one by one. First, open the Firefox browser. So the syntax to open the browser is system.setProperty. So here we need to enter the browser name and the executable path. So since we are going to open Firefox browser, the syntax is, the name of the browser we need to give is WebDriver.gco.driver, and then we need to mention the gco driver path. So I have downloaded the gco driver here. Now we need to open the browser. So for that, declare an object WebDriver, driver equal to new Firefox driver. Here you can see error message. So click on this multiple markers and then import the Firefox driver. Then again we need to import the WebDriver. Now we have opened the Firefox browser. Now we need to open the Google home page. So for that, call this object driver dot get of, in double quotes, HTTPS Now let's run the script. So right click, run as Java application. Yeah, now we open the Firefox browser. So the next thing is we need to pass the text. So we need to pass the text here. So for that we need to identify the web element. So to identify the web element, go to this text box and right click and select inspect. So in our slide, we have seen that there are different locators: ID, class name, tag name, XPath, etc. So here for this text box, we have ID, class name and name. So we are going to use ID here. Now go back to the program and now follow the syntax of find element. Call the object driver dot find element by dot ID, and inside the bracket and double quotes we need to copy this ID value and paste here. And now we need to pass the text in the text box. So for that, Selenium have one syntax dot send keys. Here we need to enter the text which we are going to enter in the Google text box. So I am passing the text as Selenium. Now we can run the script again and see the output. Yeah, so here we can see we passed the text, but we are not getting the result because usually we will press the enter button or we will press Google search button. So now we can see how we can press the enter button through the script. So now here we open the browser, we open the Google home page, we pass the text to the Google home page search text box. Now to press enter key, so write the function plus keys dot enter. So this will press the enter key through the Selenium script. Now we can run the script again. Yeah, we got the search result. So this is how we need to identify a web element through Selenium. We can also maximize the window. Driver dot manage of dot window dot maximize. Now I am running the script again. Now you can see the window is maximized and we passed the text and we got the search result. So instead of the Selenium, you can also pass any other search text. So I am passing the text as find element in Selenium. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, so we got the search result based on the text we passed through the Google search text box. Now we can see how to identify. Here we used find element by ID. Now we can see how to use find element by name. So right click on this text box and go to inspect. Here we have name. So the value is Q. So I am commenting this one. I am writing the same code again. Driver dot find element by, here you need to enter name instead of ID. By dot name of, open the bracket, inside double quotes. We need to copy this value. Here the value for this name is Q. Copy and paste here. Then the same step we need to do here. Dot send keys of Selenium. Then press enter key. Plus keys dot enter. Now we can see, we can run the script and we will get the same result. Yeah, so this is our output. Please like this video, and if you have any clarification, please mention in the comment section. Thank you.